I'm really excited about the Google platform, and actually I don't think we have even started to imagine all the things that are going to come from it. There's a very strong focus on email and calendar, and that's perfectly understandable. We spend so much time there, and it has such an impact on productivity that I understand why everyone is concerned about the move to email, Google email and calendar. But going to Google really is not about email and calendar. As you suggest in your question, it's really about a collaboration platform. First of all, I will tell you that once you are in Google for a while, when we first go to Google, it will be frustrating to people because many people will be living in Google but still thinking in their old email or calendar system, particularly the large percentage of campus that's used to Microsoft. And so it's a big adjustment because Google was developed in the cloud environment and developed by a company whose focus is on managing information. And so they very much build their platform around search and information management rather than around the use of folders and hierarchy. And so it's just conceptually it's very different from the outset. But the way that it changes how we work and how we interact with each other, I think in as short a period of time as a few months, it's going to be very dramatic. And let me give you a couple of specific examples. Now, when people collaborate on a document, now I'm making an exaggeration because I know students and many faculty already collaborate in Google. But the traditional way of collaborating is that if you and I and a couple of colleagues were going to produce an article in the record, I might start the article and send it to you as an email attachment. And then you would edit it, probably using track changes. The other people working with us would edit it. All of that would come back to me as attachments in email that I would then try to combine, figure out whose edits, which ones were going to trump which edits would trump the other person's edits, how they all fit together, send it back out to you. In the Google environment, you start with a document that everyone can go into and edit at the same time. And you can watch each other's edits. You can comment on each other's edits. You can chat while you're editing. And these are spreadsheets, presentations, documents, this real-time editing, and people are in and out of the document over a period of time. It dramatically decreases the amount of time that it takes to produce a document. It's amazing. The other thing that I'm really excited to introduce to campus is Google Plus and the use of Hangout. Google Plus is Google's social networking tool, but it is designed for the enterprise. And so in our case, that would mean, how does a university community use a type of social networking tool? And I think that the opportunities here are endless. And so I think it will enable faculty to find each other, who have a faculty member who has a particular research interest will be able to find other faculty at the University of Michigan who might be thinking about the same or similar research, and that they can start an online dialogue and bring graduate students into it and bring undergraduate students into it. The possibilities for the way we use Google Plus and Circles are very exciting. On top of that, Google offers web video conferencing, web-based video conferencing. Now, you know, there are lots of video conferencing tools, and so this isn't so creative. But what's really cool about what we are getting is the way it is integrated into the calendar and email, and it's as simple as a click on a link. And rather than exchanging email, you and I can be talking real time through our computers, and while we're talking, I can put up the document that I'm working on and we can start editing it. It's an exciting platform. The impact of this, we will be more productive. We will create things faster than we currently do. There will be less travel time wasted driving around campus and driving around parking structures trying to find a parking place, because we can have real-time meetings online, interacting, working on a document real time. It's really going to be an exciting change and a platform that the university will grow into, and then it will just go places that we can't even envision right now.